Hey, without further ado, let's turn it over to the star of the show. There he is, man. There's the OG. Show them how you roll, Peanut. Show them how you roll. That Peanut's about to do a mile walk. Yeah, a 17-year-old Chiweenie, baby. Yeah, this boy walks 1 to 4 miles every day. And he's 17 years old. Yeah, look at that Peanut rolling. That Peanut rolling, man. 17-year-old Chiweenie, baby. And that's why the Peanut is 17 years old. So if y'all complaining about it's too cold and take it easy on him because he's 17, well, let me give you a clue. The Peanut been walking like this since I've had him since he was 5 years old. We've been walking 1 to 4 miles a day, every day. The Peanut's in shape. We've been doing this. He's used to this. So, don't worry about that Peanut. Obviously, I'm doing the right thing because Peanut's 17 and he's in great health. So, if anybody has to differ, you show me your dog 17 in good health. Most dogs at this age are blind. That Peanut got all his eyes. He can see very well. The Peanut's teeth are not rotten. Got all his teeth. At 17 years old, no tartar. Amazing, right? Because I know how to take care of this boy. All right, we make sure those teeth are good. He gets a lot of those chew stuff. The Peanut's rolling, man. Very healthy, not fixed. Has his balls intact. Doesn't have any prostate issues. Doesn't have any heart issues. So, I guess I'm doing something good, right? You showed him how you roll, Peanut. Yeah, that Peanut got this, man. That's an OG, man. So we just walked a mile, and we're walking back a mile. So the Peanut will do 2 miles. In the wintertime, about 2 miles. Yeah, there he is live, baby. That's the... Yeah, the Peanut coming live. In the winter, the snow's coming down on the Peanut, man. The original OG. Yeah, the Peanut come outside in the snow. Hey, baby. Anyways, can you see that? Look at all that snow. And we getting another snowstorm. And look at all the snow that we have. It's coming down again. Years old. We on the home stretch after doing 2 miles. That's my little OG. You shut him, Peanut. They hating Peanut. 17-year-old roll. The OG. The Peanut say, I got this, Daddy.